A street in the middle of a potentially dangerous area. An explosion protection zone starts here. Thus, a perfect workplace for the X-Zone area monitors. You simply position the area monitors at the critical points. For example, here, 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 and here. The Dräger X-Zones now automatically interconnect, forming a wireless alarm chain. If, for example, gas now escapes in this area, Dräger X-Zone detects it within seconds and transmits the alarm signal to all connected Dräger X-Zones. They then flash red-green. Each device shows which device triggered the alarm and the type of alarm. If there's no danger, the alarm can also be acknowledged. A further advantage, using the X-Zone COM. This radio module transmits all measurement data directly to your employees. One X-Zone COM is sufficient to transmit the data from the network Dräger X-Zones. Once it has been installed, the X-Zone COM starts the data transmission via GSM. If gas now escapes again, Dräger X-Zone detects it within seconds and transmits the alarm to the other Dräger X-Zones. And the X-Zone COM forwards the alarm via GSM. It can then be received, for example, on a mobile phone. The current gas concentrations and the GPS position can be called up via mobile phone, cloud, or PC at any time, not just when there is an alarm. It doesn't matter if one is 100 meters or 1,000 kilometers away. That saves time and personnel costs. You can also integrate X-Zones into your existing gas detection system. Every X-Zone has a Modbus interface. Simply connect a device via Modbus and the measurement data from all area monitors will be transmitted in real time to your control center.